Today I am reviewing the MALLRACE 2025 AMD Gaming Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a gaming laptop that balances performance, portability, and affordability, the MALLRACE 2025 AMD Gaming Laptop is a compelling option for 2025. This 16-inch laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5825 series processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads with speeds up to 4.5 GHz. What does that mean in real-world terms? You're looking at lightning-fast responsiveness, smooth multitasking, and a laptop that can handle gaming, streaming, and productivity apps without breaking a sweat. Whether you're playing your favorite AAA games, editing videos, or juggling multiple browser tabs, this laptop keeps up without noticeable lag. The 16GB of DDR4 RAM paired with a 512GB NVMe SSD gives this laptop plenty of breathing room for your apps, games, and media files. And here's something impressive. The laptop supports memory upgrades up to 64GB and storage expansion up to 2TB. That means it's future-proof for years to come. Imagine loading large games or software almost instantly, thanks to the NVMe SSD, while still having enough storage for your entire digital library. On the display side, the 16-inch high-definition IPS screen delivers vivid colors and sharp details. With a wide color gamut and high refresh rate, everything from fast-paced gaming sequences to movie streaming looks immersive and smooth. You get brighter, more accurate colors compared to standard screens, which makes this laptop great for gamers, content creators, or anyone who values a high-quality visual experience. Connectivity is another strong point of the MALLRACE 2025. You get USB 3.2 ports, HDMI, Type-C full function, 3.5mm audio, /microphone jack, TF card slot, and Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 gives you ultra-fast, stable connections up to 3 times faster than Wi-Fi 5, perfect for online gaming or streaming high-quality content. And with the Backlit keyboard, you can work or game comfortably even in low-light conditions. The laptop also comes with Radeon RX Vega 8 graphics, which enhances visuals and provides smooth performance for casual and mid-tier gaming. Combined with the high-performance AMD Ryzen processor, this GPU is perfect for gamers who want a balance of power and portability without needing a dedicated heavy graphics card. Finally, MALLRACE backs this laptop with exceptional support. 12 months of repair and unlimited technical assistance ensure peace of mind. Their team is responsive and ready to help, so you're never left stranded with a technical issue. Overall, the MALLRACE 2025 AMD Gaming Laptop is a powerhouse for gaming, productivity, and multimedia tasks. With its upgradable RAM and storage, fast Ryzen 7 CPU, Radeon graphics, and vivid IPS display, it's designed to deliver a smooth, immersive, and future-ready experience. If you're looking for a 2025 laptop that can handle both work and play, this one definitely deserves serious consideration.